What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. So I gave y'all a warning that XRP was primed to break out, and let's dig into this a little further. But first, check the links in the description section of this video if you're new to investing. I got some free resources down there for y'all stocks, crypto. Also, if you're interested in learning how to take advantage of the bear market, how to make short-term gains, you don't just have to wait, until a certain price point in order to, realize some of those gains. If you're interested in learning to trade stock options, reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. I got my stock options trading course available that will teach you how to not only make money when the market is going up, but also how to profit off of the market going down. It's a very valuable skill to have, especially if you want to be a more active investor. Now, also, I have my crypto 101 course for those that are around that beginner to an intermediate level, looking to get a more well-rounded understanding of what's going on in crypto and how to do certain things in the crypto space as well. And then we also got the technical analysis course, which will teach you how to understand the data on the chart, also how to use indicators, tools, and put this information all together, as well as candlestick patterns. So reach out to me again via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Watch out for the scammers in the comment section. They going crazy right now, y'all. But let's get into this. So XRP price action turns bullish again, with the bulls targeting 60 cents. So if y'all remember, I dropped a few videos letting y'all know that it was looking like it wanted to go to that 61 cent level. So we're gonna see if that plays out. But right now XRP is up about 5% on the day. So that's looking pretty good. It was a bullish end to a bullish week for XRP. Optimism towards the outcome of the SEC versus Ripple case remains XRP price positive. So basically, people are speculating that XRP is gaining ground in the lawsuit case versus the SEC. So this is a good sign. A lot of people are calculating different things, and of course, it can always go the opposite way. So remember, don't use this as financial advice. This is not financial advice. Never risk more than you're willing to lose, but you definitely want to have this on your radar. So this is one of my longer term holds. One of the ones I plan on holding. 10 years plus. I understand, the possibilities of XRP, and once you do your due diligence on this project, you might gain more confidence on it as well if you don't have any yet. So on Sunday, XRP rose by 2.8%, reversing a 0.18 loss from Saturday. XRP ended the week up 18.7% to the 53 cent level. XRP just saw one session in the red from 7 bucking the trend across the top 10 cryptos. A bearish start to Sunday session saw XRP fall to an early low of the 50 cent level, finding support at the first major support level, S1, at 50.95. XRP rallied to a late afternoon high of 54 cent. XRP broke through the first major resistance level, R1, at that 52 cent level, and the second major resistance level, R2, at the 53 cent level. However, a late pullback saw XRP fall through R2 to end the day at 53 cent. Now, what they're talking about, these R1s, S1s, R2, R1, those are the support and resistance level. You can pull up on most charting software. If you type in pivot points, they'll show you these indicators. So also, while there were no updates from the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case to influence investor optimism resurfaced. Investor optimism towards the SEC versus Ripple case resurfaces. It was a quiet week for the Ripple, with no SEC versus Ripple updates to provide XRP with direction. Despite the lack of updates, investor optimism towards a favorable outcome to the SEC versus Ripple case resurfaced. After hitting pause on Saturday, the latest court ruling on William Hemmon's speech-related docs remains the pivotal court decision to date. In the famous 2018 speech, Divisions of Corporation Finance, William Hemmon said that Bitcoin and Ethereum are not securities. Now, with this is what Ripple is arguing. They're saying if Bitcoin and Ethereum are labeled not securities, then why are we not a security? Or why are we not labeled the same way? And what they're asking for is the documents that basically were produced to basically vet Bitcoin and Ethereum to say that they weren't securities. So now they're asking to see those documents so they can see if they fall within that framework. But basically the SEC is saying those documents are private, but a judge has ruled in favor of XRP or Ripple on allowing or forcing the SEC to produce those documents. So that's a very big win right there. You know, if the lawyers of Ripple can get a hold of that and, you know, really put something together, that can be very bullish. So while the SEC may appeal the court decision, the consensus is that the SEC will eventually have to turn over the documents. At that juncture, the view is that the SEC will look to settle rather than allow the documents to circulate in the public arena. Until now, the SEC has made at least, so they're basically saying they're going to put the squeeze down on them. So forcing them into a position of, you know, instead of revealing them their hand, they'll rather just, you know, say, we'll let them through. And that could be, you know, bullish for the overall space as well, because, you know, everybody will take that same stance basically if they fall within those same guidelines. So while an SEC appeal may slow the XRP recovery, reports on the SEC turning over the Hemin docs would deliver price support. So XRP price action. At the time of writing, XRP was up 0.52% to the 53 cent level. A mixed start to the day saw XRP fall to an early low of 52 cent before rising to a high of 53 cent. Technical indicators. XRP to avoid the 52 cent pivot to target the first major resistance level, R1, at 55 cent, bearing updates from the SEC and SEC versus Ripple case, and XRP return to 54 cent would signal another bullish session. So in the case of an extended rally, the bulls would take a run at the second major resistance level, R2, at 57 cent and target 60 cent. The third major resistance level, R3, sits at 61 cent. A fall through the pivot would bring the first major support level, S1, at 50 cent into play. Bearing an extended sell-off, XRP should avoid sub 50 cent and the second major support level, S2, at the 48 cent level. The third major support level, S3, sits at the 44 cent level. Now, each of these levels are basically just support and resistance areas where the price will either have a hard time breaking through because it will see selling pressure, or once it drops to a certain support, it'll have a hard time falling below that point because of the buying pressure. So the EMAs and the 4-hour hourly candlestick chart below sent a bullish signal. At the time of writing, XRP sat above the 50-day EMA, currently at the 49 cent level. The 50-day EMA pulled away from the 100-day EMA, with the 100-day EMA widening from the 200-day EMA. The signals were bullish. An XRP hold above the 50-day EMA would support a breakout from R1 to target R2 and 60 cent. However, a fall through S1, 50 cent level, would give the bears a run at a 50-day EMA, 49 cent. The 200-day EMA sits at 43 cent. So these are just major key support areas based on these time frames, which are used as market widely known supports. So let's take a look at XRP's price real quick. So we got XRP at 53 cent right now, up 3.87%. So this one, you know, is one of those ones you want to keep an eye on because it can start to move quickly. I can easily see XRP going over $1 in the near term future, especially, you know, if we start getting some bullish catalysts with the court case. But that's all we got for this video. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. Again, check the links in the description section of this video. If you're interested in getting any of my courses, my stock options trading course, helping you learn how to trade options in the stock market. Also, you can use it to learn some day trading principles as well, which you can use those same principles in the crypto market. So keep that in mind. Also, my technical analysis course and then my crypto 101 course. That's DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Make sure also y'all follow me on Twitter and Instagram at DecemberDeMarco, the same way the channel is spelled. I'm gonna be watching for those that follow me after this video. Shout out to y'all, and we are out.